What if you could use Kling, Veo, Sora, Seedance, GPT Image, and dozens of other AI models from one single platform? That's exactly why I wanted to test OpenArt AI. But having a huge list of models doesn't automatically make a platform good. So I tested its image generation, video creation, characters, editing tools, and pricing. And here's what I found. OpenArt has evolved far beyond a basic AI image generator. It's now an all-in-one AI creation platform for images, videos, audio, characters, stories, and even 3D worlds. Its current platform provides access to 100 plus premium image, video, and audio models. OpenArt. Let's start with an image. I'll choose an image model and enter. A cinematic portrait of a young man standing in Tokyo at night, neon lights, realistic skin, shallow depth of field, professional photography. Generate. And the result is already pretty impressive. But what I really like is that I don't have to stop here. I can edit the same image, remove objects, change the background, expand the image, upscale it, or restyle it without moving to another website. OpenArt. Now let's move to video. I'll take the image I just created and use image to video. My prompt: the character slowly walks toward the camera while neon lights reflect on the far wet street. Smooth cinematic camera movement, realistic motion. And here's where OpenArt gets seriously interesting. Instead of being locked into one video model, I can choose from options including Veo 3.1, Kling 3.0, Sora 2, Seedance, Pixverse, and others, depending on availability and plan. OpenArt says its video generator can create clips up to 15 seconds and up to 4K, depending on the model. OpenArt. So I could run the same prompt through different models and compare the results. Another feature I really like is characters. You can create a character from reference images or a text description, save it to your OpenArt library, and reuse that character across future images and videos. That's extremely useful if you're making AI stories, YouTube videos, comics, ads, or music videos where the same character needs to appear repeatedly. OpenArt. OpenArt currently has paid plans starting with Essential at $14 per month, or $12.60 when billed annually, with 4,000 credits per month. Advanced is $29 monthly, Infinite is $56, and higher tiers provide more credits, parallel generations, characters, and commercial use rights. OpenArt.